Hello everyone, welcome to this amazing session जिधर आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं मॉड्यूल 2 ऑफ योर सीए फाउंडेशन अकाउंट्स। तो आपके सीए फाउंडेशन में दो मॉड्यूल्स है, सबको पता होगा। तो जो सेकंड मॉड्यूल है इट स्टार्ट्स ऑफ विथ फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स फॉर ऑफ नॉट फॉर प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस। तो ये वाले टॉपिक को वी आर गोइंग टू मास्टर एंड अंडरस्टैंड इन पार्ट्स। एक एक टॉपिक को, एक एक चीज़ को आराम से समझते हुए निकलेंगे एंड वी विल टेक आर ओन वी विल गो ऑन आर ओन पेस एंड टेक आर ओन टाइम. Alright, so let us begin by understanding what not for profit organizations are. So, as a chartered accountant, you are going to prepare financial statements for such organizations, and these financial statements are going to be quite different from what you see in normal organizations. ठीक है, तो पहले let us try and understand what not for profit organizations are and what is the difference between NPO and normal profit making organizations. So without any further ado, let's begin. Before we begin, I want you all to get a notebook and pen, note down all kinds of information that you get from this video. Okay, so every single video is going to contain information that is required for you to understand and required for you to master this topic. So without any further ado, let us begin. Okay, so now we are going to start off with understanding what not for profit making organizations are. Okay, so यहाँ पर let us write down. ठीक है, आराम से let us write down NPO, which stands for not for profit organizations. Aha. So the name pretty much indicates that these organizations do not have this objective of making profits, because generally when you talk about a company, the main objective of a business is to earn profits, right? So if you see any company out there, in general any company, you will notice that they are carrying out these business activities so that they earn money, they earn profits. But there are organizations which do not aim to earn profits. Then why do they exist? That's the question. Well, their motive is to provide welfare to the people. You must have learnt in economics that there is something called as capitalist economy and socialist economy, right? So when we talk about capitalist, it's all about profits, right? All these businesses, they run in order to earn profits. But when we talk about socialist economy, here we have the government functioning, and the government does everything they have in their power in order to provide welfare to the people and to the society. So these organizations, they function in order to provide help or welfare to the people. Alright, so the difference between the accounts that we make for NPO and a normal profit making organization is as follows, right? So in our normal profit making organizations, we first try and make the trading account, if you remember. So we first have trading account, then we transfer the gross profit, we obtain gross profit here, we transfer it to P&L account, right? We transfer it to P&L account, and then from there we go to the balance sheet. This is how we go about in a normal business, right? This is how the accounts go. So first you have your trading account, and from your trading account you find out what the gross profit is, and then from there you move your gross profit to P&L account, and in P&L account you obtain something called as net profit, which you subtract from the capital that is present in the balance sheet. So you do it like this: capital minus net profit, or you add net loss, whatever that is, you do that in the balance sheet. This is how we generally go about, and we have seen that in our previous sessions in terms of finding out the gross profit, transferring it to P&L, then you find net profit, go to balance sheet, and you just do how you do things, right? Then what is the difference between this? Okay, this is what I will name as a profit making organization. What about not for profit organization? What about them? What about NPO? Well, instead of your trading account, you will have something called as receipts and payments account. So let us write this down: receipts and payments account. I will be like, what is that? Wait, I will tell you. But before that, let us quickly finish the order that we have to go in. So instead of your trading account, which you have over here, instead of that, you have this, receipts and payments. What about P&L? Instead of that, we have income and expenditure account. So we have an income and expenditure account. Wait, yep, that's it. And then you have the balance sheet. It's the same thing. You have the same balance sheet here, nothing different, right? So the only difference is these two. We have a receipts and payments account, and we have income and expenditure account. Why do we have different accounts for a profit making and not for profit organization? Well, the answer is simple. In not for profit organization, we have no profit. Instead of profit, you call it surplus. Instead of profit, you call it surplus. And instead of loss, you call it deficit. And instead of capital, you refer to it as capital fund, because whatever you do here is not for profit. So whatever the profit or loss that you earn, you immediately transfer it to capital, and then again you use it for the welfare of the people. You never ever use it as profit and use it for your own purposes. You again add it to the organization as capital. So this is what you need to know in basics about NPO, and I don't think this is very important, but when you understand the essence and the procedure that you have to follow, that is first making your receipts and payments account, having an income and expenditure account, and then being able to make a balance sheet, then I guess you're slightly ready to move ahead to the next topic, which we are going to look at in the next video, where we are going to understand what receipts and payments account is and what income and expenditure account is. So I hope you are super comfortable with whatever has happened till now, because going forward as well, everything is going to be smooth and easy. So I'll see you guys in the next video.